Hey guys, it's David HD Trucks and Equip from beautiful Henderson, Tennessee, and I know what you're saying. Dave, this doesn't look like Tennessee to me, and you're exactly right. I'm standing in sunny Phoenix, Arizona right now because I picked this truck up in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is a previous utility company truck, just got it wrecked from the utility company. This is a 2011 Ford F550, and it's running. And you don't hear it running because this is the 6.8 gas motor. None of that, none of those particulate filter problems, none of the power stroke problems, none of that kind of stuff. And being a Nevada vehicle, that is what they're supposed to look like. Now keep in mind, we just got this truck. This is exactly the way I picked it up from them. Clean. I know it's dusty and dirty. Look at there, locks windows, power mirrors. It's got the dual mirror, little concave convex mirror on the outside. This is a straight little truck right here. Interior is good. Roof headliner is good. Glass looks pretty good. Locks, windows, tilt, power mirrors. The only thing it doesn't have is cruise control, which I found a little unusual, but that's the way it is. So here's your bucket control stuff down there, power switch. What the motor you're hearing running is a generator. And this actually has the removable little laptop holder there for you. And again, 3-passenger seating, that's nice. And of course, it also has the fold-down armrest with the little beverage holders and whatnot in it. Clean little truck. It's got the running boards on it. It's got a backup electronic rear view mirror, so to speak. And it has, let me close the door. It has a whole 86,000 miles on it. Such a nice little truck. Notice there's no check engine lights, no issues, and yes, look at the tachometer, it is running. Quiet, quiet, quiet little car, little truck. There's your AM/FM factory sound system. Nothing has been butchered all up yet. There's your little lights for the strobe lights and all that kind of good stuff. Computer stand. Haven't checked that to make sure it has power to it, but I'm sure that's why it's there. Clean, clean, clean truck. So what we're running here is an Onan generator. This is the battery for the generator. These are Barricades, as are those up there. Built-in storage. This is an ETI box. No surprises there, coming from Nevada. Wow, that's clean. Straight, straight, straight. No issues there. I must have to keep it at some place. This is interesting. Oh, look at there. There's your multi-purpose Pintle hitch and 2-inch ball. But look at this in here. Hopefully the camera will adjust. That has the indoor workstation. So if you have tools and equipment that you just soon keep and not have somebody borrow them from you, that would be the place to put them. Right here you have the control for the ground level for the boom, 100% functional. And of course, nothing else to show you here. This is pretty straight, pretty clean. Manuals for the operations of it. Got a little tube right there to put control hoses or whatever in it. There's your wheel stops, and that is an Onan Charlie Mary Mary 5500. So I assume it's a 5500 kilowatt right there. And again, look at the condition of this. Incredible truck. Super, super clean truck. That's running a 6.8 big block. Tires on it are great. We picked this truck up. I love utility companies. We picked this truck up. We did absolutely nothing to it. I've already driven it probably about 6.5 hours to get it here. Runs absolutely like a watch. Those are your front tow hooks on it right there. Look at the bumper, hasn't even been backed into yet. You can be the first one. Such a nice, nice, clean, straight, strong unit. Just waiting for you. Hey, if you can use this truck, you give me a call. It is currently located in Phoenix at our storage facility. So those of you from California that need to get something that you don't have to have the diesel problems with, you give me a call. I'd love to talk with you about it. My number is 602-510-5444. And once again, we thank you for looking.